There's one more person I wanted to talk about. I don't know if you had the opportunity to hear the senior night announcements that we had at the field. And there was a lot of stuff going on, and the girls were trying to get on the field and all this other stuff. But in Coach Wren's mind and my mind, Kyle has become our brick wall. Wherever you put Kyle out, that's where the play stopped. Nothing got past Kyle. And I grew to appreciate all of Kyle's skills and all of his abilities, and I'm going to miss all of these guys up here, but I'm really going to miss Kyle's stability, Kyle's solidity, and the fact that when Kyle played, other players knew he was coming. Thank you, Kyle.